this is it. So you can see that hose is pretty trashed. It actually is cracked in one area, but it actually looks really good, other than just being needed to be cleaned. This is actually one of the newer ones, because this is what after General bought them. So pretty good. Man, awesome. I'd say that's a pretty good Craigslist find. So now I gotta get in my truck and drive back. Unfortunately, Woodcraft did not have a 3-inch hose, so I'm gonna have to order it. Okay, it's the next morning, and I've got this Craigslist find I gotta get out of the truck, and you'll notice that it is pretty dusty, dirty, but man, I'll tell you what, cannot believe I just got this for $60. So I'm gonna, see, I've got the exact same one over here. The only difference is when I got mine, it did not come with a sticker. Isn't that weird? And I called the company up, and when I asked them about the sticker, they acted like I was lying to them. And they basically said that they don't know how that could possibly be. So I showed them a picture, and they still didn't care. So mine's exactly the same thing as this, and it doesn't have a sticker. So pretty funny. I actually don't mind without a sticker, but I don't know. I guess some people like the stickers. I just need to get a new hose, because that hose is totally trashed. For some reason it's clear and mine's black, but I actually like the black better. To me it looks better. But I'm gonna get a new hose, so I'll either get black or clear, whatever I can find. And I just need to get this out of the truck and probably put it in my trailer until I need it. But I'll take a look at it and survey it. So I just set this on my table saw just to see how it fit, and wouldn't you know, the hole is about a 64th of an inch too small to fit on these studs. That is so weird. The other one, this one is exactly 3/4 of an inch, and this one is just ever so slightly smaller than 3/4 of an inch, the hole. Tell me that's not weird. So, but if it did, the holes were the right size, it would fit nicely. Of course, everything looks great. As you can see, this type of system is really cool for protecting yourself from dust and whatnot. So